Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, this video is going to be for people who are interested in like the smallest, lightest, and probably cheapest rod and reel you can purchase on Amazon online. This is the Ganen. I bought this about back in 2016 for $6. It was pretty much a novelty purchase. I didn't expect too much from it. Um, I fished with it last week. I made a video on really inexpensive do-it-yourself baits you can make. And in the video I recorded myself catching some panfish with it. And I've used it several times earlier. Like I said, I bought this back in 2016, but I had some problems with it. I didn't like it. And so I thought I'd go over in detail about this little rod and reel. It's, like I said, when I bought it, it was $6 back in 2016. Now it's up to $13 online. It's very lightweight. It's less than 3 ounces. It's 8 inches when it's collapsed. When you expand it, it goes to 38 inches. It has a little bit of a drag here, and it has a brake that you can use here. The problem is one of the problems, one of the several problems of the little Ganen is that when you try to cast it, the reel will revolve. So most people say you can't cast it. I found a way you can cast it, but it's sort of a hack, but it's not something I would recommend. What you can do is you can take this nut off the handle and just use your thumb as a drag. And then when you cast it, you can control it just like a bait caster. But then you have to reassemble the reel. And that's not something you want to do on the side of a riverbank or in grass or in the woods where you can lose parts and so on. Also, what if you get, if you've got a lure and now it's sinking and it's on the bottom, it's snagged. This is not, if you were ice fishing or something, I think this would be cool, or bottom fishing or off the bridge. Like I said, I used it last week and previously, and I've caught fish with it. One of the cool things about it is how much fun it is. When any type of fish you catch with it, you're going to get like a lot of play. It's a lot of fun, but there's just so many negatives because several times I've had to disassemble it because the line catches around the inside, and then you can't use it or operate it. In fact, I made a little mark here with a magic marker, so when I remove everything, it's easy to put back in and get holes lined up. So, like I said, it is fun, but the price is doubled in price. So people say, well, here's the deal: you can collapse these and put them in your backpack and go packing. But you can get a hand reel for a couple dollars, and then you can put that in your backpack and catch, and you can cast with this and you can retrieve with this. It's just not as much fun. This is a lot more fun. Now there is, like I said, these have increased in price. They make one with a spinner that probably would work a lot better, but the price is close to like $18, $19. For $21 you can get, often on sale, I think Eagle Claw makes, in fact I know they want, I have one here at the house. I'll do a review on it. Eagle Claw makes a collapsible spinner for about, on sale, I purchased them for $20. So if you're going to like up your expenses and purchase one with their spinner so you can actually use something like this, you would be better off buying the Eagle Claw that's only a little bit bigger and maybe a few ounces heavier, and have something that would work better for you. Like if you're fishing off of a bridge or ice fishing where you're not casting, bottom fishing, and you're going to be fishing and catching very, very light fish, then I could see this happening, but I don't recommend it. It's a kind of a cool novelty item, and like I said, the rod is better than I expected, but the reel, unless you remove the nut here, you can't cast it out worth a damn. I had to like pull my line off like a fly rod reel.
Reel we got off Amazon with our homemade salmon bait. doesn't cast very well. You kind of have to take it off and throw it like a hand line.
And throw it out like a hand line in order for it to get away from the bank. So I don't really recommend this except for certain uses, but I'll be doing a video on the Eagle Claw uh, next week. And also, you might want to check out my Florida fishing playlist. I got a bunch of Florida, or just plain old fishing videos from myself and other people on the internet I like a lot. But I can't really recommend that you purchase this unless you're just you will add it to your collection as a novelty item and play around with. Like I said, take this off, then you can cast it, but it's not something I would recommend. But it is fun when you catch it. You can catch anything with it, and it's fun. So, guys, hope this was helpful. Check my playlist and my other videos, and I'll be doing a review on the Eagle Claw next week. All right, take care. See you out there.